In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a page in Google Docs. Now, Google Docs doesn't actually have a one-click duplicate page button, but there are a couple of very simple ways to get the exact same result. I'll walk you through a clear method you can use every time you want to copy a page, whether it's a cover page, a template, or a form you want to reuse. First, open your Google Doc and scroll to the page you want to duplicate. It helps to zoom in a little so you can clearly see where that page starts and ends, especially if your document is more than one page long. Remember, in Google Docs, pages are really just sections of text separated by page breaks. So, what we're doing is copying all the content from one page and placing it somewhere else. Next, click at the very beginning of the page you want to duplicate. Hold down your mouse and drag to the very bottom of that page, stopping just before the next page begins. Take your time here to make sure you're capturing everything on that page, all the text, images, tables, and spacing. If it's easier, you can also click at the top of the page, hold Shift, and then click at the very end of the last line on that page to select everything in between. Once that content is highlighted, copy it. On Windows and most Chromebooks, you can press Ctrl+C. On a Mac, press Command+C. You can also right-click on the selection and choose Copy if you prefer using the mouse. Now decide where you want the duplicate page to appear. If you want it directly after the original, click at the very end of that page and press Enter a few times to move your cursor onto a fresh page, or insert a page break from the Insert menu. When your cursor is on the new page, paste the content you copied. Again, use Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac, or right-click and choose Paste. You should now see an exact duplicate of your original page. Take a moment to scroll through and make sure everything looks right. Check that images are in the correct place, headings are formatted properly, and spacing matches what you had before. If something shifted, you can undo with Ctrl or Command+Z and try selecting the page a bit more carefully. You can repeat this process as many times as you need, turning any page into a reusable template inside your Google Doc.